Hello, class, and welcome to Intro to Psychology. My name is Lizzy, and I will be your professor for the semester. Starting out, I want to go ahead and just give you an overview of the online content and take a quick peek at the syllabus. So when going into Eagle Online, when you're looking for your classes, you'll go up to the square hamburger. You'll click on there and you will find the class that you're looking for. So currently we are in Intro to Psychology. We will click on Intro to Psychology. That will bring us to our home page, which then has the course home. So that is where all your announcements can be found. Content, and that is where you keep the syllabus and where I keep the syllabus and everything else that you will need for the remainder of the semester. It has each week laid out in weeks for what chapter you will be reading and any assigned work that goes with that chapter. So currently we are going to actually just take a quick peek at the intro to psych syllabus, where then I will open up a discussion board where you can ask questions about the syllabus or any need for clarification. To get to the syllabus, you'll just click syllabus on the left-hand side. You will then go up here to the link and click on the link for the syllabus, and the syllabus will pop up. Here you can keep it online and look at it whenever you need to, or you may also download and print. So this is our Intro to Psych syllabus, and we will go ahead and take a peek at this.